All right, we're going to look at this integral here that uses the transcendental functions. The first thing I noted here, if I can write correctly. So we have the integral from the natural log of 7 pi over 6, which is a number, to the natural log of 3 pi over 2, which is a number. So we have an interval that's from one number to another number. They happen to be transcendental numbers, but that's okay. And then I have 2e to the nu cosine e to the nu d nu. And I think what I want to note is this repetition of e to the nu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a u substitution. I'm going to say that u is going to equal e to the nu. So du is going to equal e to the nu du. And so I can do a substitution here. And I'm going to do the substitution in a couple of parts. First, I'm going to change my order of integration. I'm going to look at my lower. So UA is going to equal e to the natural log of 7 pi over 6, which means these will cancel, leaving that UA is 7 pi over 6. UB is e to the natural log of 3 pi over 2. These will cancel, leaving 3 pi over 2. So I can rewrite the integral portion as it was 3 pi over 2. The lower bound is 7 pi over 6, and the upper bound is 3 pi over 2. Sorry about the weird notation here. That's a 2. I just kind of wrote a little dyslexic there. And then we will look at my substitution. So that's u, or that's du, right? The combination of these two terms is the same as what I see e u d nu is du. And so I have e nu d nu, so that's du. This becomes cosine u, and I have my factor of 2 out front. And so now I have converted this to a cosine integral. Noting that our definition of how these transcendental functions work, and that the exponential with the natural base and the natural log cancel each other out. So cosine comes from sine u, and I'm going to evaluate it from 7 pi over 6 to 3 pi over 2. So I'm going to have 2 times the quantity of sine of 3 pi over 2 minus the quantity of sine 7 pi over 6. So unit circle, 3 pi over 2 is down here, so that's negative 1 for that sign. And let's see, 7 pi over 6 is the one in this direction, so that's what, negative 1/2. And so I'm going to have negative 1 minus 1/2, so plus 1/2, so negative 1/2 times 2, or negative 1.